Understanding Tree Assessment, an essential guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the phrase, tree assessment. This might sound like it's all about nature, but there's more to it. So, let's explore this phrase together and understand its meaning and usage in English. Tree assessment might sound straightforward, but it's a term often used beyond just looking at trees. In this section, we'll break down the phrase to understand its literal and metaphorical meanings. In its most direct sense, tree assessment refers to the evaluation or examination of trees. This could be in the context of botany, forestry, or even urban planning. We'll explore what tree assessment involves and why it's important in these fields. Surprisingly, tree assessment can also be used metaphorically. It can signify a detailed evaluation or analysis of a problem or situation. Here, we'll delve into how this phrase is applied in different scenarios and the importance of context in understanding its meaning. To fully grasp tree assessment, it's helpful to see it in action. This section will provide real-life examples from various domains like literature, business, and everyday conversation, highlighting the versatility of this phrase. When learning new phrases, it's easy to make mistakes. This part of the video will address some common errors English learners make with tree assessment and offer tips on how to use it correctly. And that's a wrap on tree assessment. I hope this video has shed light on this unique phrase and enhanced your English vocabulary. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every new phrase you learn is a step forward. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.